Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn on a topic 3.1, that is Unit 3, 3.1 Summary Writing. Summarizing is a skill you need to acquire for various purposes. Summarizing is identifying the main ideas in a passage and putting them together in a logical way. Summarizing involves the following 4 C's. First C is comprehension. Comprehension means understanding of the passage. Second C is collection. That is collecting main ideas, separating the main ideas from the details. Third C is composition. Writing the summary, putting down the main ideas. And last C is, fourth one, condensation. Condensation means reducing the length of the sentences. Now let us see what is the aim of the summary. The aim of the summary is to present the readers with a brief, clear and objective account of the passage or extract. Now let us see some do's and do's and don'ts on the summary writing. First, see the do's. First one is separate the relevant points from the irrelevant. Second one is arrange the ideas in the order best suited for the purpose. Third one is present the ideas in a clear and simple language. Fourth one, make the matter as short as possible. And fifth one is use words, phrases and expression from the extract, change the narration. Now see the side of don'ts. First one is don't comment on the passage. Second one, don't add new information. Third, don't give examples, quotations and figures. And last, fourth one, don't explain the meaning. Now, some tips of condensation. We have already learnt the meaning of the condensation, that is reducing the length of the sentences. Now, first one is some tips. The first tip is reduce a long phrase into one word. For example, at this point of time, the word is now. Second one is reduce a clause into a phrase. For example, when the sun was rising in the eastern horizon, that is at dawn. Third reduce is reduce a clause into a word. For example, that which cannot be easily hid, that is illegible. Fourth is long list of things into a term or title. And fifth one is illustrations may be reduced to just one. Now see the sixth one. All directed speech is changed into indirect speech in the summary. Seventh one, if passage is in the first person and in the present tense with a summary in the third person and in the past tense. Now the next one, avoid statistics, images, figures of speech, exclamations rhetorical questions. And last one is omit everything that is not related to a central theme. Now, the main ideas and supporting details regarding the summary writing. The main idea is the key point in the text. Any type of text has a topic, main idea, and some supporting details. The topic is the broad general theme or message. Supporting ideas or details support the main idea by explaining how, what, when, where, why, and how. If you can locate the topic easily, understands what the writer wants to say. When somebody writes, he or she has an idea in mind which is expressed as stated. First one is the writer has a point to tell, a message to convey, or some feeling to express. Second one, the writer organizes, writes a paragraph in which the main idea is stated. Third one, the writer also gives details which supports his main idea. And last one, details can be examples, experiences, quotations, figures, general information about the topic. Now let us see, the main idea can be found in the writing at three places. The first one is the beginning, the second one is the middle, and the last one is the end part. Writer maybe give the topic and main idea at the beginning and continue with details to support the idea. That is the middle, that is secondly, the writer may begin with details and arrive at the main idea in the end. And the last one, the writer may give some supporting details, then give the main idea and again provide more details. As a student, reader, you should be able to get the main idea and other details. This will help you to attempt a summary of the passage. Main idea must be written in clear and simple language. Now let us see how we can get the main idea and supporting details. Let us take an example from the lesson, that is 1.4, Big Data, Big Insight. Here, education industry, big data has inundated the education industry. It has transformed it in leaps and bounds. Now we have information about the students, their study patterns, and we can now prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the need of an individual student. Every student's comprehension level is different. The course material can now be designed catering to different requirements of the students. Big data makes it convenient to understand their choices, their difficulties, information regarding various courses and their specialties. We also have an access to the results. From the results, we can gauge the progress of the students, understand his strength and weaknesses. This will also help in guiding the students regarding the best career for him based on his mental makeup and abilities. Here, importance of big data in education industry is the topic or subject of the passage. The main idea, that is the big data, has transformed educational in leaps and bounds. Now the supporting ideas. We can now prepare a customized and dynamic learning programs according to the needs of an individual student. Big data makes it convenient to understand student choices, etc., to help in guiding the student regarding the career. Here, if you put main idea and supporting details together, you get a summary. Let us stop here. Tomorrow we'll discuss the next topic. Thank you.